Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about role of human resource management in private hospitals. Healthcare is a world largest industry. As such, India has to be prepared to meet the healthcare challenges to the new millennium. Similar to the other organizations, hospitals are concerned with maximizing effectiveness through the adaptation of appropriate management policies and practices. Human resource management in hospitals has now become a necessity, and it has to achieve effective utilizing of human resources. Review of literature. According to Michael A. Best, Carol Boyle, Jeremy Dawson, Judy Scully, Matthew Carter, Stephen Anale, Malcolm Patterson, Justin Warning. The relationship between human resource management practices and organizational performance is an important topic in the organizational science, but little research has been conducted examining this relationship in hospital settings. The objectives of the study. Identify the human resource management practices in the hospitals. Just human resource management policy and practices for enhancing the quality and satisfaction of employees working in hospitals. Research methodology. The researcher has chosen 15 hospitals which have more than 15 bed strength for the study. The data has been collected from these hospitals with the help of structured questionnaire. The representatives of hospitals were selected from the area of Meerut region. Area of research. There are Anand Hospital, Lokpriya Hospital, KMC Hospital, and all. Data analysis interpretation. The above table shows frequency distribution for communication and disposal of grievances out of 80 questionnaire of 15 hospitals. 40 respondents were adequate doing communication and disposal of grievance. Interpretations too. The pie chart shows frequency distribution for employees' performance appraisal. Interpretation 3. The above graph shows multiple responses analysis for the kinds of staff employees training program done by hospitals. Limitations of the study. Why the study was mainly confined to Meerut region. It does not cover other regions. The study was time consuming as a quantitative study requires extensive statistical analysis. Conclusion. The most important skill required for healthcare workspace to deliver high quality care to patients is the human resource development. The conclusion drawn below are based on data provided by the hospitals. These conclusions derived from the present research work through light on several important factors of human resource management practices in the hospital human resource planning. Thank you.